Choosing between custom software and ready-made tools is a significant decision for any business. This choice can impact everything from daily operations to long-term growth. Custom software offers tailored solutions that address specific needs, while ready-made tools provide convenience and faster implementation. Understanding the advantages and limitations of each approach is essential for making an informed decision. The outcome can influence efficiency, scalability, and overall competitiveness in the market. Custom software offers remarkable flexibility, allowing businesses to design solutions that align precisely with their unique processes and requirements. Unlike off-the-shelf products, tailored software can be modified and expanded as a company evolves, ensuring continued relevance over time. This adaptability supports seamless integration with existing systems and workflows, minimizing disruptions. Additionally, custom solutions are built with scalability in mind, making it easier to accommodate increased workloads, new features, or additional users as the business grows. As a result, organizations can respond swiftly to market changes and future challenges with confidence. Ready-made tools offer significant advantages, particularly in terms of ease of implementation. They are typically designed for quick deployment, allowing organizations to save time and reduce the complexity of setup. Cost is another benefit, as these tools often come with predictable pricing models and eliminate the need for extensive development resources. However, a key limitation lies in customization. Ready-made solutions may not fully align with specific business needs or workflows. This can result in constraints when adapting the tool to unique requirements, potentially limiting flexibility and long-term scalability. When evaluating long-term value and total cost of ownership, it's important to look beyond initial expenses. Consider ongoing costs such as maintenance, upgrades, and support, as these can significantly impact the overall investment over time. One option may offer lower upfront costs but higher recurring fees, while the other could require more capital at the start but prove more economical in the long run. Businesses should align their choice with their strategic objectives, whether that's minimizing short-term spending or maximizing long-term efficiency. By carefully weighing these factors, organizations can make decisions that best support their growth and operational needs.